Tennessee doctors could now be charged with a felony if they perform abortions. The result of our state's new strict ban of the procedures set in motion by the Supreme Court's overturn of Roe v. Wade. But some cities now pushing back. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Carrie Sharp. In recent days, both Clarksville and Knoxville city leaders have issued resolutions condemning the state law. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb explains whether that may have an impact on state lawmakers.
While the state legislature is the group that makes state laws, some local governments, like Nashville's Metro Council, are trying to do what they can to speak out against Tennessee's law that makes it a felony for doctors to give abortions. City councils in Knoxville and now Clarksville have passed resolutions speaking out against the state law. But News Channel 5 political analyst Pat Nolan says resolutions don't carry weight with the state legislature.
I think they would say, well, thank you very much for that resolution, and they go on about their business.
Metro Council has also passed a similar resolution, but has also taken other steps, including proposing a bill to take thousands of dollars out of city savings accounts and giving it to Planned Parenthood to spend on helping women get abortions in states where it's legal.
Not all of that would be used for the travels. Some of it's going to be used for sex education, other kind of materials, condoms, things like that to help better with sex education.
But Planned Parenthood might be able to use some of that money to help with gas cards and hotel stays to get an abortion elsewhere. The council has also passed a law requiring businesses asking for some kinds of Metro grants to make public whether they'd allow their employees to head out of state for a medical procedure.
They didn't specifically mention abortion in the bill. What they said was any procedure that's going to be done out of state that's not available in the state of Tennessee. That could be more things than just abortion, but obviously would cover that.
Metro Council will take up the Planned Parenthood bill in October. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Jason. And Metro Council here in Davidson County has also pushed back against the abortion ban. It voted last night to approve barring local law enforcement from using license plate readers to help enforce laws criminalizing abortion. Specifically, it's illegal to use the cameras to track anyone going out of state to get an abortion. Now, it's important to note here, this vote is preemptive. Going to another state to get an abortion is not illegal, and Metro hasn't even yet rolled out a 6-month pilot program with license plate readers.